Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to connect KuCoin to Google Authenticator. First, navigate to the KuCoin app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Here, find and go to the security option. In the security menu, swipe down and tap the Google verification option. Now enter the email verification code to identify your identity. Next, tap on confirm and then download the Google Authenticator app. If you've already installed it, go to the next step. In the other step, scan the QR code or copy the private key to Google Authenticator. After that, head back to Google Authenticator and here paste this key. Due to some privacy issues, the screen is showing black and it'll generate a verification code. Enter the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app into KuCoin to complete the setup. After entering the code, tap Activate. You'll see that the Google verification option is changed now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.